Okay guys, hi guys, I told we will start a new base. So I already constructed my base. If I show from woodcutting you will feel bored. So and I got a surprise for you, and I constructed my base also. It will be somewhat big, and I got 2 villages. I didn't went also, but for taking food for one village I went. So we will see those 2 villages. If we have time we will go for mining also guys. Okay, you want to see base? Let's see base guys. This is only our base. So let's go. This is only problem with my fence gate. Okay, the surprise will not reveal, that's why I'm going like this. So this is my enchanting room guys. I want to keep it as an enchanting room. So next it is a chest room of mine. So you can see the chest room. All foods item I will keep here, and some food I want now, so I'm taking. Okay, let's eat some food and go. This is sand guys. I collected more sand. Take some weapons. I told if we have time we can go for mining, so that's why. So this is my furnaces. See, you can see I collected more coal and charcoal. Charcoal you will get from those woods guys, tree woods. Then you smelt it, you will get charcoal. I got a lead from a trader. I killed a trader, so I got lead. So let's go guys. Surprise should not reveal. Surprise should not reveal. I think it's not a surprise for you, but it's for me it's a surprise. So this is my bedroom guys. This is my bedroom. Small but nice. I got glass from smelting sand guys in furnace. You will also get like that only guys. I will reveal the seed in the 25th or 15th episode. So okay, get ready for bedrock players. Okay guys, this is my first balcony. Yeah, this is my biggest balcony. Means somewhat small only but big, means it is high at place. So guys, there is no game audio because game audio is more than my audio, so means my voice is lesser than game audio, so I removed it. Okay, let's go. We can reveal the surprise. I think it's nothing guys, it's a pink sheep. Tell a name for it guys. Definitely I will keep it. Okay, definitely keep in comments. Oh, there is a zombie. No way. Definitely it will not kill me, but it wore and leather. What? You noob zombie. But I am afraid of creepers and skeletons more. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, now I want to see some villages. Okay, I got here only guys sheep. When I am constructing my base, I got here. Then I got before only I killed a trader. I got 2 traders today. So before only I killed a trader and I got a lead. So I tied this here, and definitely guys we will make it a room. Okay, let's make it a room guys. You keep a name for it, comment a name for it. I will definitely keep it. if I got a name tag, then if I don't, I can't. Okay guys, let's go to a village. See guys, there is only first village which it is so far, but we'll go. Guys, I think it is a well what I caught here, but yes guys, ignore the external audios. Some will come. I got a stick. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, please subscribe fast and share to your friends and family members share to your friends and family members through WhatsApp and Facebook. So I tied a horse guys. I like that horse, so I think it's night. No, thank you chicken, thank you. Okay, I kept a glass pen here guys. No way. No, why? Okay guys, it's night. We'll go fast. You know I'm afraid of mobs. Not mobs, creepers and skeletons. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go. No. Okay guys, let's go and sleep. Okay guys, please support me guys in this channel. I came here to remove that glass pen, so that's I didn't cap dirt. No way. Okay, keep dirt. We'll keep dirt and go. Okay guys, let's go for seeing villages. Okay, I didn't check it guys. In video we will see. I thought so, that's why up to now I didn't check the chest. I didn't open chest also. Only I took cables and came back. Okay, let's go. I need a cave guys now. I thought to go to a cave, so go, let's go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm searching for a cave guys. Okay, it's a cave. No, it's a lava pool guys. Lava pool. Okay, we'll wear armor. It's a noob armor, but we got. That's enough for us in this video. I should do some offline work also guys, so some changes will be happen. Okay, I'm taking potato for farming guys. Let's go. This is a cave. Okay, cave. I got a cave. Okay, I didn't got anything. Okay, let's go guys. This is a coastal village guys. Okay, if I reveal the seed, you can check here and come. You can come and check here. Okay, I got a stone cutter. Okay, let's go to another house. Today I should get a super loot in this house, in any house, but I should get a nice loot. Okay, we got 4 emeralds guys. Nice. Okay, let's go. guys, somewhat I know about Minecraft. So what I do means what I don't know, I will ask you. Please comment below. Okay. Want to go to that village, and okay, we should keep in the next video what will come, I don't know. Okay. Okay guys, I need sugarcane more for trading with villagers. Means with paper I think we should trade, or emeralds, I don't know. So this is the second village, guys. Okay guys, it's a ruin portal. Wow, nice. Ruin portal is near to us. Okay guys, let's go. This is a house, guys. There nothing will be there. Means no chest, or only one brewing stand will be. Guys, somewhat cough, so that's all. This is also same, guys. Guys, you can see it's a creeper. I think she is a lady or a boy. Something villager wore a creeper dress. Oh, now only observe. Okay, what will okay guys, we got a I think it's a blast furnace. Yeah, so blast furnace, guys, it is used to smelt iron. Means not only iron, any ore. Faster, means faster you can smelt than a normal furnace. That's it. Let's go to ruin portal. Okay guys, small announcement. Now onwards in this channel only gaming videos will come, not in the Suchit Tech and Gaming channel. I named it as Suchit Tech. Only tech videos will come in that channel, so get ready. This will be only my gaming channel, Gamers Delight. Okay, there is a sword, smite 4, unbreaking 3, shoes, helmet, and a hoe. Okay, nice, but gold do not have that much durability, guys. Yeah, don't have more durability. If it has, will be nice, and gold will be more useful for going for nether and trading with piglins. Yeah, piglins. Definitely you should wear a gold armor when you go to a nether. Okay, I will take some coal for torches. I don't have enough torches, so that's why. Let's make some sticks and let's go to that cave, guys. To that cave. No guys, today we will not go to that cave. In next okay, in not next video I will go to a cave. In offline work I will do, guys. Okay, or we will go. Wait guys, thinking has to be happened. Okay. Yes guys, we'll go. What to do? Okay. Okay. I need a pickaxe. We should make a pickaxe. I need diamonds now, guys, because for enchanting room. Means in before videos I didn't got 1 diamond also in the before world, so thinking to get a diamond. Okay, some external sounds will come, guys, don't ignore it. Okay, let's go. We will sleep and go, guys. I think it's night, means sunset. Yeah, it's sunset. Okay, we'll sleep and go. Sleep. Okay, guys, we slept. Okay, let's go to that cave, guys. This video will be somewhat long because I need to show what happened in the cave, so that's why. Okay. Some technical problem, guys. That's why I stopped. My coffee is more, guys. So, okay, let's. And pickaxe, yes, guys. I forgot to make a pickaxe. Okay, we'll make pickaxe and let's go. Okay, one crafting table also will make, guys. If we have any problem, we can craft there only. Okay, let's go, guys. This is only wooden. Next I will change it to concrete. I should collect gravel and sand. Okay, I will change into concrete, guys. After some videos you will get it. Okay, we came here. Torch waste. But why? This is only annoying things. Minecraft. Okay, we saw some coal. Got some coal. Let's mine some coal and we'll go first. Inside we'll go. Then we can. I think rewind is best, guys. If we get a rewind, we are lucky. Yeah, we are lucky, guys. If we got a rewind. Okay, guys, we'll mine this coal and we'll come. Oh, mine fast. Okay, some sounds are there, guys. Here, I think some mob fell in the water. Guys, we got copper. Wow, nice. I think copper is used for only a lightning rod and something. Yes, spyglass. Okay, spyglass it is used with amethyst, something amethyst, I don't know. Okay, I will mine this coal and this, and I will okay, let's mine this coal and copper also. I need it. Okay, guys, after mining this all, I will meet you. Okay, guys, I got some coal. How much? 63 coal and 14 copper, raw copper, guys. I should smelt it now. Okay, guys, spider. It's spider. No way. I'm scared of spiders also. There is a sword. It's enough for us. Come up. I need you. Okay, I think it's coming. It's trying to come up. But we will not leave it if it came up. Okay. Therefore, it came, guys. It came. Oh, okay. Come up. Not pickaxe. Yes. Bit fat. part as a headshot. It's not a headshot, but something. Okay, guys, it's a dog. That's it. Nothing. Means I'm recording after, guys. After I recorded, first I recorded this video. After I'm recording that audio. Okay, we'll take this iron and we'll go. Just one torch. Okay, yes. Let's go, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, means the dog is always be like that only. Street dogs. Okay. Okay, let's go. No mobs should be, no mobs. Okay. I'm checking. Okay, another spider is there, guys. See, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. If you come, I will kill you. Ha ha ha. Okay, guys. I think this video will be somewhat lengthy, guys. So let's go. Okay, guys, what is this? Please comment below. What is this? I know, but I didn't got that name. So please comment, and for what it is used also comment. Hey bat, you go out. Good. Or see golden sword. If I beat you, you will go to universe. Yes, definitely. I will not leave you. Never. But I am a good boy. Now I am leaving you. Okay. Okay. We got a pawn. No pawn. Guys, nice. We got a rewind. Yeah, there is a iron. Be careful with rewind, guys. So I am at Y27. Okay. Means you can see I'm Y27. Guys, there is a glow squid. See, but I'm leaving that now. Okay, we got 3 iron. So let's make an iron cake. If we can get diamond, it's enough. 3 diamond is enough for mining an obsidian only, guys. For enchanting room. Okay, I got an iron pickaxe. Okay, let's go. Okay, my first iron pickaxe. This waste dog, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I am going down for mining iron. Okay, guys, let's mine some iron. This gravel okay, first we'll take that iron, guys, then we'll go for another. Okay, jump. Okay, nice. Okay, jump. Yeah, nice. Let's take that iron and go for another iron. Okay, how much iron we'll get, we'll see. Okay, and iron. Okay, here there is iron. Let's keep one torch. Okay, mine this iron also, and we'll go for another. Now we should definitely. Now iron is only precious for us more than a diamond, because okay, we got a 10 iron. We got 10 iron. Nice. Okay, there is another iron, guys. Some iron. Let's mine that iron also, and we'll go for something. Okay, jump. Okay, let's mine that iron. How much? Only I think there is a 3 iron. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means we got 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, we got 16 iron. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I saw a lapis lazuli here. As you can see, it's down. Now I'm going down. There is a lava, so that's it. I'm afraid of lava. I'm going like this. Okay, well, mine this lapis. Lapis is important, guys, for enchantment. We should definitely take lapis if we got. Means it is more important for enchanting. You should take with only iron pickaxe, or it will not come. There is iron, guys. I saw there is iron. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's mine that iron also, and we'll go for something. Next I'm thinking to go means I want to something I'll do if I got a content. Then 16 iron we have. Okay, and 23 lapis. Nice. I thought we'll get less. Means it's not a fortune pickaxe, so that's why. Okay, we'll cover this, guys. I'm thinking lava will come here, but it did not come. Lucky. Let's mine this. One iron. Only one, guys. No way. There is redstone, and there is some iron also, guys. You can see there. But I don't have so much blocks. No. I'm keeping near lava. Into the lava I'm keeping, guys. Go slow. You can see. Okay, I didn't have much blocks. Why God? Why God? I need more blocks. Okay, I collected some blocks, guys. I got so much. I think these are enough for us. Guys, in next video I want to make an cow farm. Means cow crush. Means that only, guys, we will get a leather. I want to means for books and something. We'll say that signboard, not signboard. We'll keep for chest, guys, for identity. Means it is here for that. See, there is a iron. Okay. My phone also, guys, so stucking. It's lagging somewhat for me here. Okay, guys, now onwards I'll talk in only English, not in another language. Be careful, man. God damn it. Okay, another one cobblestone. I'm covering because it will bounce, guys. Some little it will bounce. So if it fell in lava, falls in lava, I mean mine didn't. Okay, there is nothing here. So guys, let's mine this iron and go. We'll go front. Okay. Guys, now it is 13 minutes. So the video is somewhat lengthy, guys. Sorry. Next onwards I will see it. Means I'm recording after. I'm recording means there is so much of obsidian. Yeah, there is some. My iron. What? I think my block. Okay, one diorite is there. Diorite, please help me. To where we'll go? Think this is the end of the cave. Okay. I think this is the end of the cave, guys. Oh, nice. And there is another cave, guys. I saw there. I think so only. Okay. Let's go. No. Okay, guys. Then this side only. But this lava. My God. Okay. We should cover whole the lava, guys. Okay, I didn't have more blocks, so we should definitely mine some blocks. Fast. Okay. Okay, we should fast mine. Okay, we got some coal, but it's not time for mining coal. So okay, we got 15 blocks. Should is enough. Wait. No. Oh, just miss, guys. Or I will die. Definitely I'll die. Okay, I want only that iron, guys, but what the hell? Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, okay. I need that iron, definitely. Okay. Guy, what? What the hell? You can see the lava. See the lava. Definitely I will not. Never I will go to this cave. Never. Okay. Let's go. We'll go out. Okay. See guys. It's inside up to. It's coming from inside. Okay. Okay. Guys, there is an axolotl. Guys, wow. An axolotl. Wow. An axolotl. Nice. No, I should definitely. I want a bucket of water. Guys, I got an idea, guys. Let's make an next video we will make an axolotl, means for a axolotl farm we will make, not farm, it's like a pond. I want 3 iron. I need 3 iron. Okay. There are 2 axolotls, guys, not like this. Yeah. Okay. And which guys, that is a pink color axolotl. Nice. I think we should go there to take some water. We need water. No. Okay, let's go. Please tell what any about axolotl. I don't know more about axolotl. Okay, let's take that pink axolotl, guys. Okay, or this brown. Oh no, pink. No. Shh. Thrown that axolotl. I kept water there. No. Okay guys, it's 37 minutes while recording. So I want to take this all axolotls to my home. Yeah. Okay, I think here only. No. Guys, it's flowing from up. See guys. See. And then now I should take a... I should take all these axolotls, guys. Means I need 4 buckets, and I took 1 axolot, an adult cyan axolot. Cyan, okay, nice. I want these all, and I should make more buckets. So now I should come. Okay, 19 we got. 2, 3. Okay, enough. And from where it's flowing? Okay, here. Okay, we got. Yeah, not here. Flowing from where it's flowing. Okay, here also there is a cave. Okay, let's go up. This water I don't took, guys, because means I didn't took. I also don't know why I didn't took. Okay, let's go. Ooh, okay, jump. What? Okay. Oh, it's there, guys. I came somewhat up, then okay. Should take this. Oh, what? I didn't got. Okay, let's take. Okay, we got, guys. You can see it's in my inventory. Yeah, see. Okay, I will take an axolotl, guys. In offline, we'll take another axolotl. Okay, here it's flowing. It's flowing. Let's take brown colors. Okay, take this also. I think it's here, not here. Yeah, we got it. It's in my inventory. And see, we will take this axolotl, guys. I need it. Yes, we got it. And we will take an yellow axolotl, guys, because I will take this also in offline. No, I will not show you. So it's 41 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I got 3 axolotls, and next video we will make an room, means like a house for this axolotl, and in offline I will add some fishes also in that. I'll make it as an aquarium. Yeah, like an aquarium. Guys, this is all for today, guys. Bye bye.